And we'll just scroll up here. Okay, so basically I've had 15,000 people view that advert, and I've only spent £15, which is about $25. Okay, but look at this, guys. I've had over 1,000 clicks that go through to my website. Okay, which is absolutely amazing. 1,003 clicks from the targeted countries like the USA, the UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, all the buying countries. 1,003 clicks to this website for £15, which is 25 bucks. That is an unbelievable cheap rate of paid traffic for those super buying countries that I've just mentioned.